Hi you guys, welcome to my video today. So I'm going to be doing my weekly meal prep today, but today is also National Lasagna Day, and my friend Jim over on Jim's Kitchen channel, most wonderful channel ever, you guys, check it out. I will link his channel in the description box. But he asked all of us cooking YouTuber friends if we wanted to participate and do videos for National Lasagna Day. So the theme of all these videos is lasagna. So I'm going to do my lunch and my breakfast meal prep. I am going to do super healthy, and you know my recipes are always super easy also, but I'm going to do a zucchini lasagna for lunch. So I'm going to slice my zucchini super thin, and it's going to be like the layer of noodles. And then I have ground turkey. You can definitely use ground beef or ground sausage, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese. I have this no sugar added pasta sauce, which, you know, so many processed foods have so much added sugar. So this one, there's no added sugar, which I love, and it tastes delicious. Some Parmesan cheese, and then some minced garlic. So I'm gonna make all this up for my lunch, and I'll portion it into my meal prep containers. And then after I have this one done, I'm gonna make my breakfast next. And then that is gonna be, I have low carb tortillas. So that will be kind of my noodle layer in that. And then I'll have some egg, Canadian bacon, cheese, and then all the breakfast goodies to make a nice lasagna breakfast casserole. So I'm gonna make that up right after I finish this lasagna, the lunch lasagna. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also make sure you check out the hashtag National Lasagna Day, because there's going to be so many awesome lasagna recipes. I cannot wait to see what everybody comes up with. So I'm going to get all this going and show you how I make it all. All right, so the zucchini lasagna is in the oven, so I'm gonna get this breakfast lasagna all ready to go. So I have my favorite carb balanced tortillas. So these are 5 carbs per tortilla, and this tortilla is huge. It is like a giant burrito size. So that is super low carb and awesome. I have my Canadian bacon that I will dice up. I love shredded cheddar cheese. I'm gonna add in some frozen chopped spinach. I'll defrost it first. I'm gonna have my eggs and my milk. So I'm gonna get this one all made up. I'll show you how I make this one. Okay, I'm going to portion out the zucchini lasagna. It turned out so perfect. It is gonna be so delicious. Lunch and breakfast this week are gonna be so awesome. So I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers. You guys know, if you've been around my channel, I use these containers for everything. I'll link them in the description box. They are from Amazon, so super easy and really, really great quality. So I am just going to cut this up and portion it out, and we're ready to go. Okay, so it didn't fall apart too much. It looks awesome. So I am going to now portion out the breakfast casserole, the breakfast lasagna casserole. All right, I'm gonna portion out this breakfast one into my breakfast meal prep containers. So it is so good with the eggs and ham and spinach and cheese, like all of my favorite breakfast ingredients. So breakfast is set for the week, lunch is set for the week. I had so much fun making these 2 different super healthy lasagnas for National Lasagna Day. I just love celebrating national food holidays. I do not know who makes them up, but they're awesome. So here's to National Lasagna Day. Thank you, Jim, for putting this awesome collaboration together. I just love working with all you guys. So breakfast and lunch is ready. Hope that you enjoyed these. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you all next time. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.